Okay, so we've done compound interest formula in the last video with changing the n, but now we're just going to have like this problem. We're going to have the formula. You're of course going to want to include the compound formula on your note sheet, or you could memorize it, I guess. And there it is, knowing what everything stands for. Okay, so if we invest $3,000 in an investment account paying 3% interest compounded quarterly, how much will the account be worth in 10 years? So we are trying to find A. All right, that means we have to know the principal. That's the $3 we're investing. The rate is going to be 0.03. It's nice to put this 0 in front so that you can see where your decimal is clearly. Quarterly, so n is going to be 4 times a year. And we're going to be going for 10 years, so that'll be t will be 10. Okay, so the amount in the account, we're going to find that by taking $3,000, the principal, times 1 plus the rate, which is 0.03, divided by 4. And then we're going to raise that to the power of, I'll just put it the way we're going to put it in a calculator. N is 4 times 10. Now, you could do the 4 times 10, that's 40. So when you're putting in your calculator, if you just want to raise it to the power of 40, that would be fine. All right, so 3,000. Let me put the parenthesis in. You can go times the parenthesis or just open the parenthesis. It knows to multiply. And I'm assuming you have a Texas Instrument. Casios generally work the same way. If you have another type of calculator, it might be different. So I've got the parenthesis, I've got the 1 plus, then it's the 0.03 divided by 4, close that parenthesis to the power of, I'm just going to put 40. All right, enter. I'll be rounding to the nearest penny. So it looks like I'm making I'll have $4,045.05. It does round up. So on the decimal part, this is what my calculator is saying. So just a brief review on rounding. We're going to the nearest penny, which would be right here. You look behind that number to the right. If it's 5 or more, it's going to round up. If it's not 5 or more, so if it had been like 0.043, then it would have been 4 cents. But this is going to round up, so it's going to be 4045.05 to the nearest penny. And we put in the dollar sign because we are talking money here. Okay, so after 10 years, I'll have I will have made $1,045.05, and but this will be the total amount in the account. Okay? All right.